When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam would be burying a person, he would take sand and he would throw it in the grave and he would say, Minha khalaqnakum. Then he would take another handful of sand and he would throw it in the grave. وَفِيهَا نُعِيدُكُمْ. And we will be returned to it. And then he would throw another handful of sand and he would say, وَمِنْهَا نُخْرِجُكُمْ تَارَةً أُخْرَى. And from the sand we will be resurrected one more time. So throwing the sand in the grave is a great act of reward. We tend to only attend a janazah if it is a family member. Sometimes we attend the janazah and we only go for the salah and we don't participate in the burial. If we realize the great reward in participating in the janazah salah together with the burial, then we would be eager to be part of this. It comes in a hadith that on the day of Qiyamah, in your scale of good deeds, you will also see the sand that you've thrown in the grave when burying someone. So what a great opportunity to gain the reward. May Allah give us the ability.